Now let's talk about how you can easily guide visitors in their own language. Having a guide in their native language can make a huge difference in the experience for international visitors. Once you fine-tune your guide in one language, you can easily add translations. If the budget for human translations is limited, we can also translate all content including audio in 30 languages using AI very inexpensively, allowing you to broaden the language offering. So even if you don't provide guide services in Portuguese, Polish or Chinese, visitors speaking these languages will get a machine translation including audio in their preferred language. This can be a game changer in catering to these audiences who find it more difficult to find information when traveling. An AI translation may not be perfect, but it is perfectly accepted by international visitors in online channels as long as it is clearly indicated as an AI translation, and it can also help you with SEO to attract more visitors from these audiences. I hope this will be useful when you plan to design an awesome self-guided experience. And don't forget that if you need any help, the SmartGuide team is just a call away.